Let's do this.
What we have here is the mp5A2 submachine gun. It's made by Heckler & Koch. It's known as the best 9mm submachine gun on the market today. It's used by more police departments as a 9mm subgun and by more military and law enforcement agencies than any other 9mm submachine gun on the market. What's particular to this weapon that LAPD uses is it has a surefire forearm light, which allows them to illuminate dark places when they go into a dark room or something. Also, it has the Navy trigger group, which is a ambidextrous trigger group. It has controls on this side and on the other side. You can manipulate the controls with either right or left hand. It has pictograms for safe, no bullet, semi, one bullet, or many bullets, full auto. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to load this weapon. I'm going to shoot a few rounds semi, and then I'm going to shoot a few bursts full, and then I'll reload and shoot a lot full.